goddamn circus rolling or something?
You wish you looked like me.
You got a name, kid?
It's Cameron. With the K.
Call me Shady. And a dollar sign. So you looking to have a love affair with Mary Jane?
Too mainstream.
So what you looking for then?
The BB. Probably never heard of it.
The BB?
Big Bird?
So you're an Aries, right?
Yes, I am.
Says right here your week's gonna be the bomb.
I doubt it.
I know mine is. Shady! Shady, you goddamn son of a bitch! My working girls been saying you haven't added $1 to every kilo. What is this about? Man, that shit wasn't me, man. Came from the top. Trickle down, you know what I mean? It's economics. Guess the economy's been pretty rough this year.
How the kids?
Kids good, kids good. Yeah.
Alright,
Okay, yeah. But seriously, who's making it come for the top?
and the puppet master. They call him Marionetto.
Oh, shit, man!
What the hell was that?
God damn, you knew that bomb was from me!
Man, that shit came from the top.
That excuse only works once!
What are you gonna do? Man, think about this.
It's good to finally meet you, Big Bird.
I guess all strings lead here.